Good evening. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights. Objective for making this video is to analyze Nifty options open interest data. I would be analyzing the Nifty index spot on multiple time frames and framing a view for tomorrow, that is 24th August. Apart from the index, we would be analyzing our stock watch list. So let's start by analyzing Nifty options open interest data. So if we see the overall open interest data, you will see that highest amount of open interest in calls is currently at 16,600 call strike, followed by 16,700 call strike. So for this monthly expiry contract, 16,600 and 16,700 are likely to act as a strong resistance. And if we see the put side, you will see that highest amount of open interest in puts is currently at 16,500 put strike, followed by 16,400 put strike. So for this monthly expiry, support for the index based on this data is at 16,500 followed by 16,400 level. And if we see what happened intraday, you will see that in calls today highest amount of open interest addition happened in 16,600 call strike, followed by 16,500 call strike. And you will see that out of the money call 17,100, it saw its open interest reduce. So it tells us that out of the money call option buyers, they book their losses, and call writers, they book their profits. And if you were to see in the money calls like 16,450 call strike, 16,400 call strike, 16,350 call strike, 16,300 call strike, and 16,200 call strike, you will see that call option buyers, they book their profits, and call option writers, they book their losses in the money strikes. And if you were to see the puts, you will see that highest amount of open interest addition in puts happened at 16,500 put strike, and followed by 16,300 put strike. And you will see that 16,400 put strike saw its open interest reduce along with 15,950 strike and 15,800 put strike. Basically out of the money puts, they saw their open interest reduce. So it tells us that put option buyers of out of the money strike, they book their losses, and out of the money put writers, they book their profits. So broadly speaking, for this monthly expiry series, we are trading in a range of 16,700 to the upside and 16,400 to the downside. If we analyze the index on multiple time frame, here you will see on the monthly time frame, market is under control of buyers as it is trading above the monthly open 15,874.9 level. And today two new time frames opened, the weekly as well as the daily time frame, they have the same opening print. So on the weekly time frame, market is under control of sellers. So straight away there is conflict between the monthly and the weekly time frame. And if we see the price structure of the daily time frame, you will see that even though on the daily time frame market was under control of sellers, we have technically formed a higher high and a higher low. So based on this structure, we are potentially in an uptrend. So we have to be, although we have to be prepared for multiple scenarios tomorrow. There is a chance that tomorrow we can potentially form an inside candlestick, and we can potentially trade towards today's highs as well. So we have to be prepared for multiple scenarios. So based on that, we get the following levels for tomorrow, 24th August. Above 16,496 levels, we can trade towards 16,592 level, which is today's highs, and beyond that we can potentially trade towards 16,645 and 16,712 levels. And on the flip side, below 16,395 levels, we can trade towards 16,342 level, 16,275 level, and potentially 16,198 levels. And now we would be discussing our stock watch list for tomorrow. The stocks that we have chosen, they have all formed an inside candlestick pattern on the daily time frame. So our first stock is HDFC Life. It's in a downtrend based on 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages. So we'll look for selling opportunity below 662.2 levels, and aggressive traders can also look for buying opportunity above 672.9 levels. Our next stock is KPIT Tech. It's in an uptrend based on 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages, and we'll look for buying opportunity above 342.75 levels, and aggressive traders can also look for selling opportunity below 327 levels. And our next stock for tomorrow is Sun Pharma. It's again in an uptrend based on 5 and 20-day exponential moving average crossover, and it has formed an inside candlestick. So we have to be prepared for either side of the range to break. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 770.1 level, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 750.7 levels. And our final stock for tomorrow is Marico. It's in an uptrend based on 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages, and we formed an inside candlestick. On last trading day we formed an outside candlestick, and today we formed an inside candlestick. So if either side of the today's halo range break, that would be the potential direction of the trend in Marico. So we'll look for selling opportunity below 527.15 levels, and we can also look for buying opportunity above 541.6 levels. Basically, we have to wait for market to break either side of today's halo range to establish position in all these stocks that are formed an inside candlestick. Else, we'll not be making any trade in these stocks. Finally, before ending this video, I like to summarize that above 16,496, we can potentially trade towards 16,712 levels, and below 16,395 level, we can potentially trade towards 16,198 level. And broadly speaking, we're in a range of 16,700 to the upside and 16,400 to the downside based on the overall open interest data. And the max pain level for 26th August monthly expiry is at 16,450 levels. And our stock watch list comprises of Marico, Sun Pharma, HDFC Life, and KPIT Technology. So all these stocks, they have formed an inside candlestick. And I also like to inform you that I would be sharing a long short bias stock watch list around 9:45 p.m. So do stay tuned for that blog post. And I like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.